Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling what lets the phone show up as storage. Go to Settings, tap Build number 7 times to unlock developer options. This exposes USB configuration choices. Once done, plug the phone into a PC using a good cable and choose File Transfer, MTP, from the USB notification so the computer can browse files. Make sure battery is above 10% to avoid interruption. If your phone supports USB mass storage, choose it for true drive behavior instead of MTP. You now mount and move data. On Windows, open File Explorer and select your device. On Mac, launch Android File Transfer. Drag and drop files or copy-paste in batches to reduce errors. Large transfers benefit from smaller chunks and a stable cable. If you want the phone to behave more like a flash drive, move files onto an external SD card and eject the card safely afterward. Also disable any syncing apps temporarily. Background sync can lock files and stall a transfer. Finish by safely ejecting the phone so the file system stays intact. Use Eject in File Explorer or Unmount in Android settings, then unplug. If the computer doesn't see the phone, toggle USB mode, try a different cable or port, and reboot both devices. Those quick steps fix most issues. Make sure drivers are up to date on Windows or install Android File Transfer on Mac. If things still fail, use ADB and the ADB pull command to copy files as a last resort workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.